Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back for another video. Today we are making over our front porch. We love to sit on our front porch. It's a really good day outside. I thought it was the perfect time to just get it done. We purchased a few things and I thought I would share them with you. So if you guys are interested, just keep watching. So this is what our porch looks like right now before it's been cleaned and before we've added anything new. I would say our front porch is a nice size. We love to sit on our front porch, so we wanted to make it more of a cozy kind of oasis, especially for the summer months. We have this empty space on one side of our porch, and then we have this little seating area on the other side. So we did purchase a few things that we're going to add in after we clean. It's super dirty from the winter time. It's really dusty and there's all kinds of pollen. The railing, as you can see, it's gross and just like piled up on the steps. So we're going to get the power washer out and spray it down really good. We're going to take everything off the porch and give it a really good clean, and we're going to start adding our new things in as well as the things we already have up there. So let's get started.
I don't think we got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more, no. I really thought we had it covered. Was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh na na na. Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more, no, no. We're done now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more, no, no. Yeah. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. We keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should.
So we have two ceiling fans on our front porch, and as you can see, the sun has turned them yellow. They're dirty, they're rusty, but they work really well. So we just need to give it a little bit of a facelift. My husband is going to take the blades off. I'm going to wash them, and we're going to spray paint them back white, and they actually turned out really good. So wait to the end of this video when I do the after and I walk you through everything. You guys will see the dramatic change of our fans.
I feel the warmth of your skin. I feel the touch of your hand. Love you with all of my heart. Makes me tremble within. Love without you, I am just a trace. I wanna be with you always, 'cause that is what my heart says. I wanna be with you always, 'cause that is what my heart says.
Okay, so on to our final little project for the front porch. We are going to be using this pipe right here to hang up curtains, and I am so excited because we need something to block the sunlight out. So as you can see, my husband is using a pipe cutter. We're going to be using these hooks to hang the pipes, and then we are going to be using these rings with little clamps to hang the material. Putting the pipe onto those hooks. They're super simple, super inexpensive. We are using a canvas drop cloth for our curtains. Really durable, like tan material for outdoors, and it's the perfect thing to use on a front porch. On to the before and afters. I'm going to start on this side of the porch. We had these two chairs. Nothing was really wrong with this, but we wanted to bring it a little bit more life, so we got rid of that blue rug and got two of the same rugs, and here's what it looks like now. I just love it. I love the simplicity of it. I love that it's clean. We painted the flower pots white. We had two of these large flower pots, as you can see. They were brown, so we spray painted them white, and we just added some real inexpensive flowers in those planters. And I got the rug from Target, and the chairs are from Target. We've had those chairs for years, and we have a huge citronella candle sitting out here, which we light every single time we come out. Do you guys remember the fan? It was so dirty and yellow from the sun. We just took the fan blades down and we washed them and we spray painted it. My husband spray painted the base of the fan, and now it's like a brand new fan. It just looks so much better now. I'm so glad we did that. The curtains are holding up really nicely. They're really durable, and they actually do block out the sun. We have one on each side, so it was super inexpensive to do this. I will link the video down below where I got the idea from. I get so much inspiration from YouTube, it's not even funny. So the other side of the porch has always been empty, and we just wanted another simple seating area over there as well. So that's what we did. So here's what it looks like after. So we have two ceiling fans on the porch, and we did the same thing with this fan. We just cleaned it, spray painted it. I closed the curtains a little bit just so you guys can kind of see what it is like. We got these two chairs, which I really love. We got those from Target, and they are like those stackable chairs that you can buy that are super inexpensive. I like that I can just change out the cushions whenever I wanted to, like as the seasons go on or the holidays. These pillows I got from Home Goods. This little table I got from Target as well. I like the little honeycomb print on the top. We did the same thing with that flower pot on this side, spray painted it, and did the same kind of flowers on the inside. Here's our rug. We have the same one on each side. So in case you guys are wondering, here is a nighttime view of our porch. I should have turned out those bright lights so you guys can really see like the string lights and the little flames that we have going. These two lanterns right there are insect repellent lanterns. We have this special repellent oil that goes inside of them, and you light it and you can make the flame larger or smaller. I think we got these from Home Depot. I love them because they actually work and they're cozy, gives a really good vibe if you want a little light on your porch. Last but not least, the wreath is from Home Goods and the front door mat is from Target. So I hope you guys enjoyed my video. If you did, give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and share with your family and friends, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye guys.